Jane. Nice
Hello,
to meet you.
Connie.
Connie, hi. Nice to meet you. Okay. Here's your microphone. Hello, Connie. Thank you for your patience because we suffer from some technology difficulties and be late like 15 minutes.
Sure, I know you will
Thank
be
you.
busy. Okay.
Thank you so much.
Let me introduce
yeah.
our company first.
Yes, thank you. Go on.
Hey guys, welcome to our booth. This is Connie from JinSheng Lighting. Our factory is concentrate on outdoor lighting for 20 years. We have more than 20 years experience on concentrate to improve the outdoor lighting functional. Come with me to see our product first.
Yeah,
okay. I want to introduce our hot-cell products. This is called Eco Lights. This style of lights is widely used in US. And you can see the classic style. Yeah. For this light, we have to improve the function. You can see on the wall is the light source. We use Philips 3030 Philips tips, and that's the reflect tower. This will improve the light efficiency for more than 20%. And the driver set inside. It is very easy installation. Okay. Let's come with me to see another style light. This is the orchid light. You can see it looks just like a flower that you can see this is our light pole. This is our own design light pole, and we have the patents for these products. And you can also install the camera. This is the smart lighting. Yeah. Okay. Then for this side, this is you can see our waterproof testing equipment. We can reach IP66. Okay. You can see we can reach IP66 and we ensure 5 years warranty. Okay. We also have different type of lamps, like this square. This is the square style, and we also have ball style. For this light, this is the radiator for heat dissipating, and we also light cutoff products. This will improve the light efficiency for more than 20%. Okay. Yeah, you can come with me to see how to install our lamps. You can see this way for light distribution. We have our own design optical lens to improve the lamps, and the cover is made of our own. The emitting rate reach 93%. This is some spare part. This is the reflect tower. Okay. All these products, all these spare parts are manufactured by ourselves. We have our own design team. We can design we can provide the design service for you. Okay. You can see this way. We have bring in some automatic manufacturing machine. This is the smart warehouse. Okay.
Wow, I see from the small straight line.
Yes.
Yeah. May I have some quick questions for you?
Yes, sure.
Yeah, because I see that JinSheng has done a lot of try on the smart solution, smart street post
Yes,
solution.
yes.
So you're manufacturing the pole and also installation the light head
Yes.
together, combined
Yes.
as one step. Wow,
Yes.
that's great. Do you have any big projects that have installing with the smart light?
Yes, for Guangzhou,
or
Huangpu, yes.
Oh, Huangpu.
Yeah, we have more than 100 million. Oh, what?
100
100K.
pools.
Yeah.
Oh, 100 pools.
Yes.
That's quite a lot because I heard just about 20 or 30 pools they are projects, and then 100 is quite good.
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, actually, every day, because our company headquarters is located in between the Tianhe and the Huangpu Street.
Okay.
So every day, because I live in Xintang, and every day I travel, and then when I
So-
see this beautiful Huadong,
Yes.
it's so typical. It's kind of a signal or
Yes.
a sign of a Huangpu district.
Yes, because this is not just the straight line. We also combine the appearance with
signals,
yes.
LED.
Yes.
Yeah, yes.
Okay.
It's expensive, right?
Yes, because we have the good quality.
Yes.
Yes. So
It presents
Yes.
presents the image of a district. This one is, and every day I traveled like 6 p.m. or 7 p.m. and
Okay.
it's just light it up.
Yes. So you
reaching
can,
the dawn
you
lights.
can enjoy the light scene. Yes.
Yes. Thank you. Any other product series you want to introduce?
I think that's
Today?
all because we specialize in this. So
It's
we
so
don't
many.
have so many kinds of products. Maybe.
Actually, this is quite good enough because you do some main products and
we
do the best.
specialize in it, yes.
Exactly. Thank you. So if anyone interested in, they can easily find your website because I think this JinSheng is quite a big and professional leading company and is well known.
Yes, welcome to visit our website.
Yeah. And I have any questions that I can contact you.
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you for your introduction.
Thank you.
Very good and impressive. Thank you. Have a good day. See you.
too.
Thank
See you
you.
again.
See you. Bye.